Now let us see the Fibonacci series of a given number up to the given value. Fibonacci series. Okay, so Fibonacci series ante the series starts from 0 and 1. Series starts from 0 and 1. The next day it goes 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. ఓకే, ఇలా వెళ్తూ ఉంటుంది అనమాట సిరీస్ అప్ టు ద ఇన్ఫినిటీ. మనం ఎంతవరకు కావాలంటే అంతవరకు సిరీస్ అనేది ఇలా వెళ్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ సిరీస్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద 0 and 1. The series starts from the 0 and 1. So this is the first value, this is the second value. And how we get the third value? By adding the first two, we get the third. Okay, 0, 1 ని యాడ్ చేస్తే we get the 1. నెక్స్ట్ 1 plus 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది. 1 plus 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది. 2 plus 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే 5 వస్తుంది. 3 plus 5 యాడ్ చేస్తే 8. 5 plus 8 యాడ్ చేస్తే 13. 8 plus 13 యాడ్ చేస్తే 21. ఓకే, ఇది యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 34. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దట్ సో ఆన్ అప్ టు ద మనకి ఎంతవరకు కావాలి అంటే సిరీస్ అంతవరకు ఈ సిరీస్ అనేది ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. సో దిస్ సిరీస్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ ఫిబోనసీ సిరీస్. Fibonacci series. Now let us write a C program to print this Fibonacci series. ఎలా రాస్తాము అంటే C program ఈ సిరీస్ ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి అంటే the first value, let us take the terms A, B, C. These are the terms we are using. Okay, so what is the first value? 0. A equals to 0. What is the second value? 1. B equals to 1. A equals to 0, B equals to 1. Now what is the C value? Automatically it comes A plus B. It is A plus B. What is the C value? A plus B. Okay, so what is 0 plus 1? What is 0 plus 1? 1. Okay, the series is 0, 1, 1. So this is the first value, this is the second value. By adding two values we get the third value. Now how we get the fourth value? So by adding these two values we get the fourth value. What is this? B. Okay, if we add B plus C we get this value. If we add C plus D we get this value. ఇలా goes on. So for that here we print the C. C ని print చేద్దాం. Let us print the C. Okay, now print this C value. After that, okay, to continue the series by using these three terms only, to continue the series here we need to swap. Swapping takes place. Swapping takes place. సో ఎలా స్వాపింగ్ జరుగుతుంది అంటే, సో ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏ అయితే సెకండ్ వాల్యూ బి అయితే వాట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ వాల్యూ? ఏ ప్లస్ బి, దట్ ఈస్ ద సి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వాల్యూ రావాలి అంటే బి ప్లస్ సిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఫిఫ్త్ వాల్యూ రావాలంటే సి ప్లస్ సంథింగ్ యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇలా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ సిరీస్ అనేది కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది. ఈ త్రీ టర్మ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి సిరీస్ని ఎలా కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి అని అంటే, ఓకే, సో సి హియర్ 0, 1, 1. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So how we got this C? By adding A plus B. Okay, now assign B to A. What is B value? 1. So how we write like that? Okay, we write like this. We write like this. Assign this B value to the A. Okay, now assign C to B. Okay, we will write like this. Assign C to B. So what is the B value? 1. Assign it to the A. Now what is A? 1. A equals to 1. Now assign C value to the B. What is the C value? 1. Assign it to the B. So what is the B now? 1. Now again add C equals to A plus B. What is A plus B? 1 plus 1, that is 2. What is the C value? 2. We got the next term in the series. We got the next term in the series. Now this is the C. Now this is the C. Because it becomes A, it becomes B. This is the C. Now again the same. Repeat these two steps again. Okay. Now what is the B value? 1. Assign it to the A. A value 1. What is the C value? 2. Assign it to the B. B equals to 2. What is C? A plus B. What is A plus B? 1 plus 2. That is the 3. Okay, Now they repeat the same steps again. You got the next value in the series. Okay, now b value to the a. What is the b value? 2. That's into the a. What is the c value? 3. That's send it to the b. What is c now? 5. Again repeat the same steps. A equals to 3, b equals to 5, c equals to 8. A equals to 5, b equals to 8, c equals to 13. What happens here? We are assigning b value to the a, c value to the b, adding a plus b. B value to the a, c value to the b, adding a plus b. These two steps are going to repeat again and again. So in this manner we will get the series. That series we call it as a Fibonacci series. Okay, here simply we write first up to 100. The series will be print up to 100 or up to 200 or up to 300. So it will be end. That depends upon the value which we give. Okay, let us assume the series 100 up to the 100 it has to be print. Let it be n equals to 100. Okay, we initialize the values. A equals to 1, a equals to 0, b equals to 1 and c equals to a plus b. Okay, now print this c value. Print this c value. A value. Okay, print this both a value, b value and c value. A value, b value. Okay, now here we write the condition. To print the series, to repeat the steps again and again, we must write the condition. Okay, so here now print the c value. Now here what happens? Swapping takes place. So what is the swapping here? We are assigning the b value to the a, assigning c value to the b, and what is c? A plus b. That's all. We get the series. Okay, so initially a equals to 0, b equals to 1, c equals to a plus b. So here we are printing the a b values. What is the a value? 0. What is the b value? 1. Next, what is the c value? 0 plus 1? 1. So before printing the 1, it checks with the condition. What is n value here? 100. 1 less than or equals to 100. Here initially 1 less than or equals to 100. Okay, condition satisfied. It prints 1. Okay, so this is the next term in the series. Now what is the b value? The b value is assigned to the a, c value is assigned to the b, and here adding the 2 terms. So after adding the 2 terms, again it checks the condition. Okay, 2 less than or equals to 100. Okay, the condition satisfied, it prints the 2. And next time the b is assigned to the a, c is assigned to the b, and c equals to a plus b. So before printing the c value, again it checks the condition. What is the condition? 3 less than or equals to 100. Yeah, condition satisfied, it prints 3. Next time 5 less than or equals to 100. Yeah, condition satisfied, 5. Next time 8 less than or equals to 100. Condition satisfied, 8. Next time 13 less than or equals to 100. Condition satisfied, 13. Next time 13, 8, 21. 21 less than or equals to 100. Okay, 21. Next time 34. Next time 55. Next time 89. Up to 89. After 89, 55 plus 89, that is greater than 100. So here how up to 100 we have to print. So here the condition becomes false. The series prints up to the 0, 1 to the 89. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci series. Thank you.